Here's TimeLeft app. It's a new trending app. It's getting more and more popularity and growing in the charts, as you can see. Like it's entering the top 100 social media apps. As you can see, here's the app, and yeah, meet 5 strangers over dinner, matched by our algorithm based on your personality test. All dinners take place Wednesday evening. Receive information about your group's composition, your restaurant. So this is interesting app to just meet people. Like you organize in the groups, and then you just meet with a group of random people vetted by this app. So this is where it works right now, only in US and France, England, Germany, Spain, Brazil, Mexico, Portugal, Belgium, Canada, Austria. So here you can see where it's working, and then you can just find it out. And if you're in that area, you can just organize and meet with people. So if you don't like just going on a date, that's another alternative app. So select the date for dinner with 5 strangers selected by our algorithm. So to get started with this app, first you just fill out your profile, fill out your interests, what you like, what your hobbies, and then this app selects similar people or people which you can match based on their algorithm, and then you kind of organize these group meetings. So then you have these notifications, and that's your profile. So yeah, then there is a guide, and yeah, so that's basically the idea. So you have all these personality tests, and then you have these bookings together. So there you have it. Pretty cool idea. And then you can just again go, for example, if you're in New York, like you can just book your seat, but to book your seat you need to upgrade. Or if you want to just buy one ticket, then you need to pay $16 for one meetup. So you can always change location, select a city. So yeah, that's the app.